everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech. Just going to talk to you about some iPhone button repairs that we can do here. So sometimes, your power button wears out and you click it and it won't actually turn your phone on and off. It won't do the lock screen or anything like that. That does wear out over time. The button, can just wear out. The volume buttons, those can be replaced as well if you're having issues turning the volume up and down, or even the silence button on the iPhone. If that's not clicking when you flip it, we can replace that. The home button can also be replaced on any 6S or older iPhone. You can bring it in, we can swap it out. Repairs do vary a little bit depending on which button needs to be replaced. They can range anywhere from 15 minutes for a home button to an hour to do like a power button. Because a lot of those you actually have to take the motherboard out to get to the button itself. But otherwise, that's really all there is to it. They're very easy to do though, even if they are a little bit time consuming. So if you have any issues, maybe you've had to turn that assistive touch button on because some of the side buttons aren't working on your iPhone, and we can fix those. We can repair those iPhone buttons for you. We've got our location here in Burnsville, as you know. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575, and we're here Monday through Friday 10 to 6 and Saturday 10 to 3. You don't need an appointment. We have most of those parts on hand, so you can just come in and get it done. Otherwise, like I said, just give us a call, and you can stop in anytime it's convenient for you. You guys have a nice night.